Here's a great tip so you can become a willing bystander. Hi, we're just going to do a quick EpiPen review. You know, EpiPens, they come in a case, but they're much like a magic marker. If you took a magic marker, you wouldn't be afraid to just jab that into someone's leg, right? Well, EpiPens are no different. You take them out of the case, there's a blue cap, that has to come off, and that releases the spring, so it's now set and ready to go. So when you take the EpiPen, you jab it into the leg, the orange part slides back, and you will feel and hear a little click or a pop, and poof, the medicine gets pushed into the leg. The needles are super short. They're called IM for intramuscular, and that's why we put it in the thigh. All right? Have a look if you have one and know how to use it. Thanks for watching this video. Now you're a willing bystander.